Yes, now first we will open the LibreOffice Calc, click on start, all program, and now LibreOffice 7.0 and then click on LibreOffice Calc. Today we will discuss the cell reference, and all of you know that cell reference means what? Use cell address in the formula is called cell reference. First we will discuss the relative cell reference. Yes, my dear students, there are three types of cell reference, and here first one is relative cell reference. Yes, my dear students, relative cell reference, as the name suggests, relative cell reference can be explained in the term of position of the formula relative to the cell. Means, my dear students, I just set formula in one cell, and while I copy that formula, it will automatically change the address of the cell. Suppose that here I write Hindi and English marks, and Hindi marks are here 56, 78, 63, 78, 45. These are the Hindi marks, and here I am writing English marks. Clear? Now I want to do the total, and for total I just write formula here equal to address of this cell A4 plus address of this cell. Clear? I just write formula in this cell only. Clear? Now, if I copy this and paste here, what I do? I copy the formula and paste into the another cell. You can see I copy formula from here. I press here Control C. Now I am pressing here Control V. Now it will automatically change the address of the cell. Otherwise I copy formula for here. It means that A4 and B4 should be here. Like this, I copy the formula this one, and now I am going to paste that formula here. Now you can see it add these numbers. Here you can also see the changes A7 and B7. Relative cell reference means we just apply formula in one cell, and while we copy that formula into the another cell, it will automatically change the address of the, it will automatically change address in the cell. Clear? Now let's do the next cell reference, that is your absolute cell reference. Yes, my dear students, absolute cell reference means while we want to fix the value of one cell and want to change the values in rest of the cell. Suppose I am going to delete all these content, and now suppose I want to make one table, and the table have this data, serial number and the price. Clear? In serial number they are having some numbers, and in price there is also 200. Suppose we write here price 400, 450, 800. I write the price, and now suppose that I want to calculate discount. Suppose that I want to set here 10% discount. Clear, my dear students? Now I want to calculate the 10% discount on these prices. It means that discount value, I want to set this value fixed, and these value every time change, because first I want to calculate 10% of 200, next time 300 ka 10%, and then 10% of 400, and then 450. Clear, my dear students? Absolute cell reference means in this cell reference, we just fix one cell value and go on to variable rest of the cell values. That is called absolute cell reference. Now, I'm going to write here formula equal to this value multiply by this value. Clear? But if we write in this fashion, it will change automatically, but we want to fix that value so that we add dollar sign before the address of the cell. Means the cell value that we want to fix, we add the dollar sign before the address of that cell, because the address of this cell is B1. We add $B and $1. After that, we click on enter. Clear, my dear students? Now I am going to drag this for rest of the cell. It calculates the 10% of all these prices. I hope this is clear to you, because these values change. That's why we don't add any dollar sign before these address, but we want to make static this value only. That's why we add the dollar before the address of this cell. Means the cell value that we want to keep static, we just add their dollar sign. This is your absolute cell reference. Now, third type of cell reference is, this is your discount. Now, third type of cell reference is your mixed cell reference. And how we can do the mixed cell reference? Suppose here I write this one equal to, because every formula start with equal to sign, so that I write here equal to B4 minus, because this is discount price, and I go to minus this price. Now, suppose that in relative cell reference, you will add here dollar symbol, and before the address of this, you will also add the dollar symbol. Clear, my dear students? 200 minus 20, 180, and now I am going to drag this value for the rest of the values. Then what it will do, because it means that these values remain variable and this value become fixed. 200 minus 20, 180, 300 minus 20, 280, 400 minus 20, 380, 450 minus 20, 430, and 800 minus 20, 780. Means when we want to fix one value and rest of the value change, it means that this is your mixed cell reference. I hope this point is clear to you. And in mixed cell reference, we just add dollar sign before the address of the cell, and the value that we want to make static, we also add dollar sign before this. Clear? Here you can see $B4 and minus $4. This is your mixed cell reference.